guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you my makeover of this closet over here. So this is our linen closet slash kind of cleaning supplies slash medicine or anything that didn't really have a spot in the house. This is our only little closet here upstairs besides the bedroom closets. So it is kind of the catch-all. This is the little landing upstairs. Before we jump into the video, hit the like button and subscribe to see all of the cleaning that I'm doing because I'm gonna clean it all. That's the name of this channel. I've had a dream of this being organized since we moved into our house over a year ago, and I've never gotten to it.
And here it is, 2 years of unorganization. Seriously, everything in here has just been thrown into here. At one point I did try to organize. As you can see, I have a couple bins going on. Some of the medicines are here, but all of the boxes from every time we've ever purchased medicine, pretty much still in here. All of our towels, somewhat folded, things that just need to be donated. So let's do this. If it's possible when cleaning a space, I like to take everything out at once. I always say that things will look a lot worse before it gets better. Taking everything out took over our whole bedroom, but it didn't last long because this is a pretty easy clean.
Got my postpartum pads.
Comment down below how you guys are doing on toilet paper right now. I bought our normal 1-pack before the quarantine started, and here's where we're at with it. So with the bottom part, I had a lot of random things stuffed in there. A lot of it just needed to be thrown away. When I'm starting something, I usually grab 1 bag for trash and 1 bag for donating. I'm wondering how you guys are. I tend to be one of those ruthless people when it comes to throwing things away. I am tired of having things that we don't need and don't use in the house, and I am not afraid of saying goodbye to things.
Okay guys, we have a cleaned out closet. And as you can see, just like our closet downstairs, none of the trim has actually been caulked to the wall, so I might do that if I have the motivation to get the gun out and do that.
So the first thing that I went through were all of the linens in the closet. I sorted them out into piles. I ended up washing a few things because they definitely smelled like they had been in a closet for 2 years, and they had.
So going through all that stuff didn't take me as long as I thought it would, which is awesome. Really tried to cut it down to pretty minimal. The only thing I kept a lot of are hand towels because we do a lot of projects, so I kept like our old ones that we can use for projects and don't worry about getting them dirty. I'm not sure how exactly I'm gonna get them into the bins, but I've got pillowcases, extra sheet sets for Emerson's bed. These are crib sheets. I've got 1 extra set of sheets for our bed, and then the sheets that are on our bed. That's all we have for our bed. That's all we need. These are literally the only towels we have except for the ones that we're using. I think I got these as a high school graduation gift, so they're kind of embarrassing. It's time to upgrade, at least have some new towels in our house. It's just time, guys. This is an extra quilt for our bed. And that's all we kept. This is a donate pile over here. I'm not sure how or if these will be in the bins yet. The medicine department is what I really need to go through. These are all things from like postpartum after my pregnancies up until now that I need to go through. It's all thrown back into here. So I'm gonna figure this out. This is stuff from when Emerson was a newborn. Like that's how bad it is. Ew, it was sticky. I thought about doing something to these shelves or trying to do some sort of makeover minute in here, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like the white clean look. And I really just want this closet to be organized. I don't need it to look any better than that.
So this was definitely the most satisfying part of the clean and the thing I was looking the most forward to, because I knew every box of Tylenol that we ever purchased basically had a box still in here. A lot of the bottles would just have a little bit left over before we'd purchase another one, and we'd forget about the ones that we already had, and that is how the whole children's medicine area got so cluttered up. So I was so happy that I had a chance to go through all of these things. I decided to keep all of my postpartum stuff separate just in case, you know, something else comes along. The craft supplies I don't think I've touched since we've moved to this house either, but you never know when you're gonna need them.
I have gone through everything in the closet now. It really didn't take me that long. Here is where I am at for right now. Because we are under a stay-at-home order, I can't go get the other containers that I want so that they are all matching. So I'm just gonna use what I already had, and eventually I'll go get the matching ones that are bigger. I can consolidate these into one tub. These are the kids' medicines or anything kind of medical for the kids. This is adult stuff and our first aid kit. And then we have light bulbs and batteries, some craft supplies. Over here is everything that's getting thrown away. I only have 2 bins left over for the linens, so like I said, I'll have to get more later. It'll definitely still work for now, I just won't be 100% there. Okay guys, I think you know what time it is.
In all honesty, after I made 2 labels, my label maker ran out of its cartridge and I could not find my refill. I tried one method of writing on the bins, but I'm just gonna wait until I find it randomly one day.
It is the next morning. Are you ready for the big reveal? Alright, a little tour of this. It's not 100% finished to me because as I was organizing this and actually trying to use it, and make it functional, I was realizing that I really do need a few more containers to make this easier for us. I'm going to need a few more of these containers, and then I want some smaller size of the plastic ones as well. Up here on the top, we just have paper towels and toilet paper. Hidden behind there is our extra Swiffer stuff right now, because that's one of the extra baskets that I'm needing, is just one for cleaning supplies. I just stopped to put Charlie down for a nap, so it's probably a little darker in here now. So for these little felt bins, these are something I got at the dollar section. I've had them for a while. So up in the first one, I've got light bulbs and batteries, or any kind of random utility thing. This is a flashlight that we might need. Next one is envelopes and stamps, some glue, and extra any kind of writing utensil. This last bin is anything that I have that is craft related, that isn't the girls' craft stuff, because they have their own stuff in their closets. But these two could definitely be consolidated into one bin, and then I would be able to fit a couple extra things up here. So obviously in here we've got anything that is kids medicine related. I tried to put a smaller basket for the things that we go for the most often. Booty paste, some band-aids, a Tylenol, and then all of our thermometers are in here as well. Any other kind of kids related medicine is also in here. And over here, just because these things used to get messed up a lot, this is the adult medicine side. So this is our first aid kit. Anything else we have, some Tums. Down on this lower shelf, we have hand towels and washcloths. Of course, my label maker ran out of the strips that it prints the labels on last night, and I can't find my refill, but I know I have one. I just could not find it anywhere. Once I do find it, it can go up in the closet. These are hand towels and washcloths that we are like in better condition, I guess, and these are our older ones, so if we needed to grab one for a project or something, extra towels, like you could get them dirty towels, and full-size towels down there. This is another thing that I need another bin for. Those are crib sheets. And then down here we have just everyday towels, a sheet set for Emmy's room, all the pillowcases that we have, extra pillowcases. These are everything relating to postpartum, and my breast pump as well. Eventually we'll swap out the hardware when we do the rest of the house, but that's what it looks like. I love this little area. Is really nice and light and bright now. So much more pleasant to come in here, and it's easier to put things away. Again, I love how minimized it is, because we really don't need that many things, and it's much easier to find the things that we do need now when we need them. Just like that, the closet is clean. I hope this gave you guys some motivation or some ideas. Definitely worlds better than it was before. I'm really excited to live with it now as it is, as opposed to how it was. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys have been up to, and if you're getting any organizing done. If you are new and you like this, hit subscribe, because I have plenty more rooms to go through. Thanks so much for watching, and happy cleaning.